Wednesday, we're out here. All right, guys, very excited to be here with you today to present to you, without further ado, Braillehouse version 2.0. We've been working super hard on this. We've been building into the wee hours of the night, and I'm gonna present to you every single new obstacle, every single old obstacle. You can see everything got a fresh coat of paint. It looks nice and pretty, and we're gonna start right here with this brand new hip.
By launching a Christmas tree through it.
We're not launching a Christmas tree through the hip, but we might launch a Christmas tree off of it. Okay, so this is a massive, amazing hip. It was built by our friends Team Payne from Team Payne Skate Parks, who build some incredible, amazing stuff. And yeah, they built this whole thing because if we were to try to build this, we probably would have not have been able to build it. But we did actually build some good stuff, which I'll run you through as well. We wanted a really mellow hip, not like a steep hip, just a really mellow hip that you can basically do any trick, learn any trick, and just have a really good fun time on a hip. Thank you, Team Payne. Okay, so we're gonna go from there. That's a brand new obstacle, never been seen, to an old obstacle. 5-stair, same hubba, same handrail, but this will be changed soon because all the guys are complaining. We don't like square rails, we want a round rail. Okay, we can get a round rail. Moving on up to up here, because you remember it used to just be this flat thing. Another Team Payne obstacle, this bank, that bank, and they basically made this quarter pipe as well. So this whole section, thank you, Team Payne. It looks beautiful. We're gonna drop in on this. And then there's been this person named Gabe Cruz who's been just complaining. We need a 3-block, we need a 3-block, we need a 3-block. So voila, 3 blocks. Basically, Gabe Cruz and I, along with Troy and Brenna, basically built this whole thing ourselves. We did. And it actually might not fall down for at least a month. So we have a good month.
It looks like you're going off the edge of the world. So this is like a good Braille drop warm up now.
You got the 3-stair over there still, you got the 5-stair, and then you got the 3-block, which takes you right into the Braille drop. Just nice and mellow. So we built this incredible obstacle. Hopefully somebody will come and skate it, because we just like to look at it, we like to sit on it. I also wanted to skate the stairs as manual pads and be able to grind across it. Probably in this video, somebody will do that. We go back here. There was a lot of controversy surrounding this section right here. There was a whole text stream between all the Braille guys if we should do a wall ride here and connect it here. And people were saying, Doug Desatels was like, I'll go up and turn and then go down to this.
I'll wait for that, Doug. How high are you, or how high up are you right now?
Oh, right here, standing, my feet are 8 feet in the air.
That's another 6 feet?
That's high, okay? That's high. This, again, was built by Team Payne. Huge thanks for coming out and helping us with this, because I don't think we could have built this. I don't know if you guys watch Game of Thrones, but if you do, you know what went into building the wall. Winter is coming, there's the wall. Do not get any dragons up in here. I'm dying for somebody to go this way and go off of this quarter pipe and into the wall ride. We need some amazing transition skaters to come here and just annihilate this thing. So then, I was like, great, we need some kind of a pyramid because we don't ever have like a pyramid that you can just jump over the gap. And I think this worked perfectly because you can also hit this sweet ledge right here, right? And then we have Gabe and I's, one of our favorite obstacles, right? Mm-hmm. The A-frame. Anything that's like really mellow and chill, you can thank Gabe and I.
You can tell that we built this place.
Yeah. And then the one and only obstacle that I pretty much decided on for myself was this manual pad right here. Then we have this beautiful bank right here and this bank right here. And I thought to myself, how sick would it be to be able to grind on this bank and then do like grind tricks from a bank to a bank.
Mowgli beat you to it yesterday.
Dang it. And then this new bank section right here to the 3-stair. But wait, there used to not be very much run up to the 3-stair. Oh, but how? We extended the runway.
Wow.
So now the 3-stair has a lot more runway and we have a flat bar. Or in Mowgli's terms, bump to bar.
Beautiful.
Every day for like a month or 2 straight was Mowgli saying, we get a bump to bar, can we get a bump to bar, can we get a bump to bar, can we get a bump to bar? He just keeps on saying it. So I made it removable. So if Mowgli makes me mad, I'll just remove the brake.
It's gotten to the point where I never want to hear the term bump to bar ever again.
Never.
Ever.
But he's got to do so many tricks. He's calling out like laser flip, like back nose grind. Like, I'm sure he's going to do some incredible tricks on this because he can. That's Mowgli's bump to bar.
Dude, it looks amazing.
Nobody else skates that thing because nobody else likes bump to bars, right guys? The second obstacle that I decided to build was this manual pad. You're like, gosh, Aaron, sounds like you wanted to build all the manual pads. Yeah. And then this hubba, which was always here, but this whole platform is new. You might not remember it because it wasn't here, it's new. Because it got moved from over there to over here. So our idea with this park was that we only had like kind of a couple obstacles, and the problem with the old skate park is you would hit one thing and then you kind of hit a wall and stop. And so we decided you should probably hit one thing and then hit another thing and hit another thing and just keep going forever. And it's kind of cool, but it's also at the same time, it's kind of aggravating because every time you land a trick, you go straight into another obstacle. And you have to like right away go, I gotta do another trick.
That quick mind.
You gotta get that quick line, but it's way more fun and there's way more flow. And we also decided everything's kind of going in this direction, except for the exception of that hip. So when we have Braillehouse parties, open skate days, you could have a person skating the 3-stair, the rail, the manual pad, the A-frame, the pyramid, the 3-block, the 5-stair, and the hubba. You could actually have 8 people doing tricks all at one time, and they would be totally fine because they're all going in the same direction. Whereas before, it was like a crisscross crash course, which is kind of crazy, but it is what it is. So we just finished everything.
Oh, check this out.
We're super excited to have it.
Oh, yep.
Gabe Cruz built this on his own. So if you come here to skate, probably don't, do too many tricks on that because we'll fall over. I'm just kidding. We learned a lot about building stuff. So
Team Pain helped us a lot.
Team Pain helped us a lot. So again, a huge thanks. You can check out their links in the description below, and you can see their new banner for helping us out, teampain.com. They built some amazing, incredible parks.
We really did.
Which you can see when you go onto their social media. So again, a huge thanks to those guys for helping us build that. And that, we probably would have fallen off the scaffolding that we built and probably would have stabbed ourselves, and it wouldn't have been good. Wouldn't have been a good look. So we want to know from you guys, what else should we put in here? We still have some space, still have some wood back there. We still have some screws and some nails. I got a nail gun. This is one of the most exciting days of my life, buying a nail gun. Thankfully, I haven't shot myself with a nail yet, knock on wood. All right, guys, so this place is not just for us. It is not just our skate park, but guess what? It's your skate park too. So on the 26th of January, we're having an open skate day. You can go to a link in the description below and you can get tickets to that, and you can come from 1 o'clock to 4 o'clock. You can skate the Braillehouse, open skate day, check it out. And then on March 28th, we'll have another full Braillehouse party. We missed about 2 Braillehouse parties because of everything that happened to the skate park. If you guys would have seen what it was like, it was a disaster zone. So we'll see you at the open skate day and the Braillehouse party. We will see you there. Okay, he's been calling it out. He's been calling me out. He keeps saying, oh, you want to see a frontside flip first try down the 3-block? Let's go, boy! Come on! You keep saying it. For Andrew Reynolds.
All right, he's procrastinating. Look at him.
What are you doing? You scared?
Kinda. Dude, this thing's way bigger than...
I know, this thing's massive, right?
Yeah.
Can we just decide that it's really big and then not skate it?
perfect.
It's not perfect, dude. No, it's not. It's a disaster.
Body! You got his back?
No.
How did he do the world's most perfect frontside flip, catch it and everything, and just straight body?
Alright, so apparently it wasn't first try, but...
Oh, you forgot this in the tour. Keep trying to get rid of it. Keep trying to get rid of it. Oh no! Oh! Woo!
Happened.
Oh! Woo! Yeah! Wow! Oh! Body! Oh my God!
Okay, so this park is amazing, and this place allows us to create some content that we wouldn't be able to create elsewhere, because some of it's dangerous, some of it's, you know, you can't just go to a skate park with fire or chainsaws, etc. So we got to do all that in here, right? And it's also just a place for us to skate and hone our skills, which we really do love and we appreciate. And we could not have ever have done this without all of your guys' continued help and support. It really is amazing. We really, really, really do appreciate it. And yeah, I hope that you guys come out and join us in this space, because really at the end of the day, this and all of the videos that we make are for you guys. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn how to ride a skateboard. Go to brailleskateboarding.com. We got everything you need.